Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Begin by gathering precise tools and safety gear before opening your Macbook. Use a Pentalobe P5, Torx T5, and Phillips #00 screwdriver set for MacBook models. Work on an ESD mat and wear a grounded wrist strap to prevent static discharge. Keep a 2-inch suction cup, plastic picks, and tweezers nearby for safe lifting. Have replacement adhesive strips from 3M and microfiber cloths for cleaning ready. Power down the MacBook and disconnect all cables before you begin any disassembly steps. Turn the MacBook over and remove the Pentalobe screws securing the lower case. Lift the lower case and place it aside carefully to avoid bending. Locate and remove the battery connector to isolate power before touching display cables. Remove the display hinge screws using Torx T5 and support the display with one hand. Use a 2-inch suction cup and plastic picks to separate the display glass slowly from adhesive strips. Disconnect the display data cable and the camera cable using tweezers and gentle upward motion. Place the replacement screen near the hinge and align the mounting points carefully. Attach the replacement display cable and secure the camera connector before testing power. Reconnect the battery and press the power button to test the new screen for dead pixels. If the image looks correct, power down the MacBook before final assembly steps. Apply new 3M adhesive strips around the bezel and lower the glass into place with even pressure. Reinstall all screws to manufacturer feel and run a final hardware test before completion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.